I was very close to flying to LA to go to Hailey's launch party, then have this Air One smoothie, but instead I'm going to make it at home. And don't worry, I am not using $50 Oishi strawberries in the blender. They were actually $1 for the whole box. Here I'm using traditional Chinese jujube dates instead. They taste better anyway. Then this is my secret potion. I love concocting my own jello skin powders at home, and this happens to have the collagen, hyaluronic acid, and sea moss in it, among other blends. Then I'm going to use some date syrup instead of maple syrup, coconut milk, half an avocado, and then I'm going to use some coconut cream. I have a small fear of opening cans. I don't know what it is, but I finally opened it, and we're now going to blend this baby up. I thought she was going to do a healthy glazed donut at Air One, but anyways, while that blends, I put in some coconut cream, and for the strawberry glaze, I'm using my date syrup instead. At this point, I already know the smoothie is going to taste amazing, and I love it when I get the portion exactly right. Every ingredient in here is skin-friendly, collagen boosting, so let's trace it. Oh, this is delicious. For glazed donut skin.